The latest shutdown by law enforcement of a fly-by-night steel manufacturing plant inside a warehouse in Magalang, Pampanga raises serious questions on how much steel products of dubious quality have been put out in the market and bought by innocent consumers. Not only is the strength and durability of these sold items under question, but also the extent of their hazardous impact on physical health given traces of radioactivity found in them. Our Ryan Villegas has more.
A warehouse in Magalang, Pampanga, allegedly being used to manufacture substandard steel products, was raided by operatives of the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission together with the National Bureau of Investigation. Authorities discovered more than 3 billion worth of substandard steel products stored inside the facility. According to the PAOK, the steel products were being sold to various parts of the country. This raises serious concerns that some of these materials may have already been used in the construction of houses, hospitals, and other infrastructure, posing a significant safety risk.
Mahalaga ang law enforcement action na ito dahil ang bakal na ginagamit sa ating mga tahanan, paaralan, ospital, gusali, tulay, evacuation centers, airports, seaports, government facilities, power facilities at iba pang critical na export.
Authorities also discovered suspected radioactive industrial materials inside the facility. Operatives also found machines allegedly used to melt Philippine coins.
These findings raise serious concern involving our national currency, economic security, and the possible misuse of undeclared industrial capabilities.
The plant's operations were immediately suspended. More than 300 workers, including Filipinos, were rescued by authorities. 4 Chinese nationals believed to be company officials were also arrested. The Department of Health also identified around 10 workers with suspected occupational radiological exposure.
Ang radiation ay hindi nakikita, naamoy o nalalasahan. Maaari rin hindi agad maramdaman ang epekto nito. Ngunit kapag hindi ito maayos at nakontrol, maaari itong ilagay sa panganib ang mga manggagawa, ang komunidad at ang mga kapaligiran.
The suspects are expected to face multiple charges, including violations of the Philippine National Nuclear Safety Energy Act. Ryan Villegas for The Nation.